Hi kindergartners, Miss Massey here, and today we are going to be talking about subtraction. So while we were in school together, we learned all about addition. And addition is when we're putting things together or adding to. And the addition sign looks like, picture it in your mind while I draw it, see if you can remember. What does that addition sign look like? The plus sign. Looks like this. Is that what you were thinking? Oh, nice job. Okay, so I want you to make a plus sign with your arms. Put one arm up and the other arm like this. Plus. When we add, we use the plus sign. Now today we're going to be doing subtraction with the minus sign. The minus sign looks like this. Just a straight line across. Now make a minus sign with your arm. Just like that. Beautiful. Now I use my arms and our plus and minus sign to help me remember the difference between addition, adding to, and subtraction, taking away from. So do your plus sign again. You're putting your arms together, adding them together to make the plus sign. Now minus, taking away, like this. Go like this, take away. Nice job. Minus, remember, means you're going to take away. Now, we're going to try some subtraction problems together. So, we're going to do a couple different strategies, though. I'm going to show you some today, and you can use these as you're working on subtraction problems this week and for the rest of your life. So, our first one is to use our fingers. You got your fingers ready? Wiggle them out a little bit. Get them ready, get them ready. Excellent. I'm going to tell you a story and we're going to use our fingers to solve it. And this is a true story. Today at lunch, I had 10 crackers. Show me 10 fingers. And my son, Kian, he took 2 of them. Go ahead and take away 2 of your fingers. Just bend them down like that. Whichever 2 is easiest to bend if these ones are a little bit tricky. Take away 2 fingers. Now, how many crackers did I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We solved it. 10, take away 2. You can also do it like this if that's a little easier. 10 take away 2 is 8. Nice work. All right, I've got another problem for you. Ooh, this one we are going to solve using dots. Our second strategy is to draw dots. Now, listen to my story. I saw 6 fish swimming. Then 3 of them swam away. How many fish were left? Now, we're going to draw dots. You could, of course, draw really fancy, intricate, beautiful fish, but that's going to take a long time. Instead, when you're trying to solve a problem, you can draw dots. Those are the quickest, easiest thing, so you can use them just for solving it. You're not worried about how they look. So I'm going to start with my 6 dots. Here's my 6 fish that I saw swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 of them swam away. To show which ones swam away, I'm just going to X them out. 1, 2, 3. And how many were left? 1, 2, 3. I had 6. 3 swam away. Now, if I was going to write a number sentence for this, it would look like this. How many did I start with? First, there were 6 fish. Minus, remember, we're going to take away through the 3 that swam away. Equals, how many were left? 3 were left. Beautiful. All right, let's try another strategy and another problem. Our third subtraction strategy is to use cubes. Now, I'm at home right now, like I'm guessing you are, and I don't have cubes at home. So, you know what? It doesn't matter. You can use anything. You could use rocks or flowers or spoons or baby dolls or socks. You could use whatever. Today, I'm using markers. So, for this story, I'm going to use my markers to act it out. In the garden, there were 4 carrots. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see my 4 carrots? I picked 2 of them. So I picked 1, 2. How many carrots were left? 2. There we go. So we can use manipulatives. Anything that you move, it could be anything around your house, you can use that to help you solve any subtraction problem also. So we started with 4, took away 2, and there were 2 left. All right, our last strategy that we are going to try for today is a number line. Now this is another thing I do not have at home. My number line is still in the classroom. And you probably don't have a number line at home either. But guess what? You can always just make one. So I drew one right here. A number line, this one starts at 0, goes up to 10. I'm going to tell you a story, and we will use our number line to help us figure out the solution. So I had 8 balloons. 4 of them flew away. How many balloons did I have left? So I'm going to start by finding 8 on my number line. Here's 8. And then I'm going to jump back 1 spot for each balloon that flew away. So I was at 8, and then I lost 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number where I stop, where I land, that is how many I had left. And it is 4. So if I wrote this problem as a number sentence, it would be 8 minus 4 equals 4. And that's it. Kindergartners, you just helped me solve 4 different subtraction problems in 4 different ways. Give yourself a round of applause. Great job. This week you're going to have a chance to practice a lot more subtraction problems in your packet. Have fun, grow those brains, and I can't wait to see you guys soon back at school.